look at him. He's a coming. Oh, that was funny. I was trying to leave you, you little goober. I wanted you to ride on Harley's back, not my leg. I know. What are you going to do now? It's stuck out here. What are you going to do? Huh? Harley, you were supposed to ride the monkey on your back. Now he's on my leg. This was not how we rehearsed this. Do better. Both of you, do better. Buster, what are you doing? There you go. Say it feels good outside. Don't eat the rocks. Why would you do that? Be smarter. Go on. Go do your thing. Do your monkey thing. Do the monkey thing. You think Harley gonna save you? You think Harley gonna save you? Harley! Come on, Harley! Come on, Harley! Come on, Harley! Harley! Why are you so stubborn? Come on! Come on! Harley! Harley! Come on! Come on, Harley! Come on, Harley! Oh, there we go. Now we got Buster riding on Harley's back. Yay! And back to Mama. Yay! Okay.